Hello folks, so today we are going to be replacing the factory reverse pedal with a modified upgrade I ordered off of eBay. Now this particular pedal, it costs about $42 with shipping. There are quite a few pedals on the market on eBay. This is probably one of the cheaper ones. There are several videos on YouTube that compare all the various reverse pedals, but this one seems to be fairly well constructed. It does have a factory look. If you compare that with the other one, I should go this way. It does have a fairly factory look, so that's good. Fairly thick. Now the welds around here aren't the greatest for production product, but this I think the guy just does this as a hobby, so they'll work. But now this is not a comparison video between this and other reverse pedals on the market. This is just a comparison against the stock. So I think any of the aftermarket ones are going to be better than what your stock reverse pedal is. So what comes in the package is not the wrench, but the pedal, as well as the instructions. And one thing to be noted is the tractor can't have the parking brake on while you're doing this. So step one is to park the machine on a level surface and turn off engine check. Remove the existing stock reverse pedal. Brakes need to be off. To remove the pedal, pull back on the forward pedal, causing the plastic reverse pedal to go down under the floorboard. Pull and slide out the plastic reverse pedal. So, I want to do this. Hold on here. Okay, so there's a little set screw down here, right there. So that would have to be loosened. Let's see how tight this is. Okay, well that wasn't as easy as I thought it would be. So the problem was that it was rusted onto the shaft and just would not want to come off, so I had to get down here with a hammer and basically beat it off. But I got it off. The shaft is pretty rusty, so I put some WD-40 on that. So now it's time to install new reverse pedal. So what does the instructions say here? So place the enhanced reverse pedal through the slot and attach the shaft which the existing reverse pedal was removed. Okay. So let's see here. So we go through like that. Let's see. Okay, I got it on. One thing to make sure of is that your set screws are all the way out, because if they're not, it won't slide on. Here it is up here. And the next step is take a 7/16 wrench and tighten these set screws here. Okay, I have the set screws fully tightened, so now it is installed. It does look factory, just that my other pedal here has a chunk out of it, but it would look fairly similar. Just first impressions, I like it. I can still get my boot here and then go over here. Because before, especially with the cab on, this plate here kind of gets in the way when you're trying to get to the other reverse pedal. But now, go here, and go here. So, yeah, I'll give it a try here. Wow, this pedal is a major improvement over the old one. It's just not even close. The old one, when you push it down, as evidenced by the video, it just goes so slow. Whereas this, I mean, the reverse speed now is almost faster than the forward speed. I kind of felt like I was almost ripping the tire chains off just backing up. But yeah, this is a major improvement. Especially for snow blowing, this will be very nice. And tilling and stuff where I have to like back up a lot. Plus, another thing I like is I can actually like reach the, not reach, but like maneuver the pedal with the boot on. Whereas before, it was like you could just barely get it down. But yeah, this pedal is highly recommended. For $42, it's a major upgrade. Because the reverse pedal, I mean, that's something that you use pretty much every time you're on the tractor. So for a minor cost of $42, I would highly recommend it. So just a few final remarks here. After using the pedal for just a little bit, just driving around, the reverse speed is significantly faster than the forward speed. Now I almost want a upgraded forward pedal to match the speed of the reverse pedal now, but it is punchy. When you just had to barely push it down and you're gone that way. Yeah, it's I think we should have done this when we first bought this tractor, but yeah, I'm definitely going to be buying this for my 455 mowing tractor. But yeah, wow, this is a major upgrade. So yeah, I will throw a link in the description for the this exact pedal on eBay if you're interested in purchasing it. I might also throw a couple more links in for the competition pedals. I can't vouch for them, but they are, like I said, there are comparison videos on YouTube that compare the various products available on eBay, but I think they're all going to be better than the stock reverse pedal. It was a little bit harder to remove the reverse pedal than the instruction manual seemed to think, but it wasn't that bad. So yeah, definitely recommend you go out and buy one of these if you have a John Deere 425, 445, or 455. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Yeah, leave that thumbs up. Talk to you guys later.